Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on KEC International. Our analyst maintains buy rating on KEC with a revised price target of Rs 850. Company currently has an order book of Rs 38,000 crore, including L1 position, which gives revenue visibility for the next 6 to 8 quarters. We expect faster execution of order book will drive revenue growth as major order intake has been from the T&D segment, which has a shorter execution time. Within the T&D segment, the management expects double-digit margin by second half of FY25, mainly due to closure of legacy order in first half of FY25 and execution of new better margin projects. Positive development in the cable, which launched 2 products, oil and gas and civil, breakthrough orders in the hospitals and FMCG sectors. This segment will not only provide revenue diversification, but can also act as revenue for future growth. We expect 15% revenue growth for FY24 to FY26 with a sequential improvement in its margins. KEC is trading at a price to equity of 17 times its FY26 estimated EPS, which provides room for upside, given its healthy order backlog and order pipeline and the possibility of margin revival. Next, we have an update on Godrej Consumer. Our analyst retains buy on Godrej Consumer with a revised price target of Rs 1455. The key product launches in the domestic market will help in improving the growth trajectory of the India business going ahead. With strategies in place, management targets to achieve double-digit revenue growth over the next 2 to 3 years, largely driven by improved sales volume. The company targets a consistent improvement in operating profit margin through premiumization, operating efficiencies, and simplification of business in the medium to long run, especially in the international business. The stock trades at 52 times its FY25 and 44 times its FY26 earnings, respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.